Another video with my neighbor's dogs barking constantly, ruining all the audio, and oh whoa, I have no facial hair, and I look like I'm 5 with this haircut. Oh yeah, but I'm good looking like this, ain't I? I have no idea. Trying to get over this whole sickness thing has just been kicking my ass for the last, what, 2 weeks? Something like that. Yeah. One day I'm feeling, you know, back to normal, next day back into the weather. Next day back to normal, next day barely can get out of bed. So, zero progress on anything, and I've just been slacking, I guess. What can I say? Blue truck's just chilling while I pull wiring out slowly but surely to get ready to wire this thing up so we can actually hear it and start it and be back to Duramax power project. And then obviously with the Cummins, you ever want to feel better about yourself? I traded the twin turbo S10 for this thing. I have no words. It's not a bad truck, it just has so many little quirks. The other night driving it, the headlight switch decided it didn't want to work anymore while I was driving with a cop behind me. Fantastic. Didn't get a ticket, didn't get in trouble, but come on truck, really? Now I gotta get another headlight switch. There's just a million things. Driving it a lot lately, off camera, the ride sucks really bad. Not having a heater sucks, not having a stereo sucks. Yeah, the truck sucks, what can I say? I'm an idiot and I made a mistake. So today, fixing one of those problems. We need to get these stupid shackles onto the front. Back to what I was attempting to say before. Dogs everywhere. Yeah, front shackles on this stupid big truck. Extended shackles, not extended shackles from the square body. These are just big pieces of like 3/8 stock with some holes in them. They happen to be the right size holes though, and the right size spacing, and they have 4 of them. So we peek up under here, and that right there is about the opposite of what you want. So not only are these going to be a little bit thicker, a little bit more stout, it's going to keep the frame from slamming into the spring every time the truck tries to articulate at all in the front. It's actually probably not slamming as much as I think because the damn truck weighs so much, but we have 4 of those. We got, that's loud. We got 2 and 2. Yeah, we got to get more bolts obviously real quick, so we'll be digging through some of this stuff to see what bolts are going to work and what bolts aren't, because thankfully I, as usual, save every single thing. I think these are the actual bolts that came out of there, but yeah, saved all the stuff from the square body. Simple. I just want to do something with my hands to try and make myself feel better today so I don't feel like shit. So yeah, I mean, let's get the hood up, get the truck jacked up. We'll do one side at a time. I'm not even going to really clean these up. I should, but it's on the Cummins, it's not on the crew cab. If it was on the crew cab, I'd go through and clean them and powder them or something like that, but on the Cummins, I just want that thing to be as bare bones as possible so I can take it out in the woods and beat the crap out of it. Like this coming weekend, because I need some stress relief and some me time. So, instead of feeling like I'm gonna die some more, let's get out and work on this stupid truck. as anticlimactic as all that was, we are officially no longer touching the frame. Oh, I'm just getting dirt in my eyes. Terrible clip, terrible angle, terrible light, terrible weather. It was all nice until it started to rain. That's the story of my life. One thing I am glad, once I get this top nut tightened, I'll show you guys. It was definitely making contact with the frame for a lot longer than I care to admit. Well, longer than I've owned the truck, clearly, because it definitely wore an impression into the bottom of the frame, which was not cool. I am now tightening all this up with the body weight, or the weight on the suspension, because that seems like it's the smart thing to do here. So I'm not binding anything up. I think these nuts just go, because this has to swivel still, but I'll get you guys over here. Oh, my hood fell off. Don't touch anything, Bruce. Like I was saying, look at that. Let's see. What are you guys? Yeah, it was leaving a divot in the frame, which is probably not the greatest. Looks like I got a little bit of an oil leak. By little bit, I mean everything is coated with oil the whole way back. So anti-rust, that's great. Everything else looks fine. Mounts good. This rear carrier bearing looks like it was changed out at some point. Drive shaft's good. I may grab my grease gun and just run through real fast and grease up U-joints and stuff like that. Let's see what it looks like lifted, because we're now on our own way. Oh, of course the rain starts. Damn it. But hey, almost skating them 35s. And is it just me, or oh, I just tooted my truck. Damn. Well, I'm gonna get in here and get some stuff cleaned up, and then we'll check her on out once I move it in the road and drive it around. We'll do it once around the block and stuff and see how it actually feels, and get you guys some coal footage in a little bit. I don't know, just something. I got grease in my eyes, I got dirt in my... Be right back. Old shitty Dodge problems. Okay, that's... See if it starts. It hasn't started in a week, I think. Oh, it's so dark you can barely see me. What does my phone say it is? My phone says my dad's calling. And yeah, I'm a dick, I just hung up. Fired right up. That's good. Yeah, I guess we scoot her around. See how this thing feels. Where I had a piece of wood back there. Went through and greased all my U-joints and stuff like that. Everything seems a little bit happier. Oh, my neck is killing me. Must have slept wrong or something. Front's not just stuck on the suspension. Adjust you guys a little bit so you can see me here. There we go. A little bit better, a little bit better. Now you guys can't see the smoke, can you? Hey, I think we can see some smoke now. Jesus. Dude, she was spinning. Damn. I didn't know it did that. Shoo. Shoo, buddy. both on the throttle and pulling the shifter out of gear. That did not sound like it enjoyed that. Have a block one time, get home, make sure, I mean it feels so much better already, so that's good. Main goal is now take it out in the snow tomorrow, I guess. B-roll. Man, I can tell I'm still just not feeling great. Barely can pick up and carry this bumper. My hands are just, I'm exhausted. But we got a little bit of B-roll, we got a little bit of work done. The front's not sitting on anything anymore, which makes me super happy. Thinking, I don't know, winch bumper. I have the winch still sitting in Big Blue, so I can throw the winch from that truck into the Cummins, which would actually be a really good idea because I want to take the Cummins obviously out into the woods more. So we'll think about that. We'll think about that. But like I said, look at that clearance now. Went from touching and leaving a mark on the frame to which is what I wanted. Short, sweet, to the point video, nothing major. If you're new here, yeah, my channel ain't the best, but we're doing stuff. I have some little things I gotta get ready for powder coating for a buddy downstairs. We're just doing so many things at once lately. We just got set up for new windows and new siding on the house, which was pretty crazy. But like I said, 20R valve cover and oil pan we're gonna knock out. Still have that whole box of LS valve covers hiding over there that I was thinking about making, just throwing bungs on each of them for catch cans and then powder coating them like a simple black, and then maybe, I don't know, do like a blue and a red and yellow or something, sell them that way. But one of the other things I'm gonna knock out is this whole set cover. I'm thinking Prismatic Universe. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Universe is such a good color, but we'll find out. We have a bunch of welding we're gonna get done soon. Doors are closing. It's scaring me because make me think we got ghosts in the house. Ghosts in my panties. But we're gonna get out of here. Like I said, short video. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Average Joe Builds out.